take a look at this. I got a birdie right above my parking spot. Hi, sweetheart. You know what? I think that bird might be pregnant, or that's the mom. I don't know, but it hasn't moved for several days. Probably has eggs up there.
Okay, going out to the porch. I didn't shovel because I just can't do it anymore. It's just, I'm trying to keep a racetrack around the porch for the dogs, and it just keeps snowing and snowing and snowing. So there goes Macy. And there's my bird feeders, and there's Deborah, Hess, and Hayes right there. See, we can't see. We can't see. Not for another month, I'm sure.
Hey, I'm just trying to pull out of this driveway at this where this water heater is, and there's two moose in my way. That's pretty cool. Oh, there they go. They're kind of scaring it just a little bit. Boy, they're big. Oh, there they go.
2 Fuji apples, half of a large beet, and 2 large carrots. One of the best combos for a juice you could ever have, if you ask Miss Staci or Bess. Okay guys, so I am out and about right now, and I brought my massive cherimoya. It was a 1 pound, 11 ounce cherimoya. I love cherimoyas. I already opened it up because I really wanted to dig in, but then I realized I gotta show everybody on the YouTube, show my YouTube fam, but I don't have no like a knife or anything to open this up, and there's no problem with that because fruit really is not meant to be cut open with a knife. It's made perfectly for us to get into. So when your fruit is super ripe, it should be super easy to get into without utensils. And cherimoyas, so easy to get into without utensils. Just rip it apart. This is such a good fruit. I love this fruit. It is indescribable, and it is just, oh my gosh, it is so, so delicious. Beautiful fruit. So let's just check out the nutrition profile of that cherimoya. Okay, I weighed that cherimoya. That is a 1 pound. It was 1 pound, 11 ounces. That was a big cherimoya, and I ate all of it. It was delicious. Oh my gosh, it was delicious. I put in just 16 ounces, which is 1 pound. Okay, so 1 pound of cherimoya, 340 calories, 7 grams of protein. Believe it or not, there's protein in fruit. Yes, there is. And 66 grams of carbohydrates, really good. 3 grams of fat. Okay, now, here is the golden stuff. That is so wonderful. Look at the nutrition in cherimoyas. Okay, just in that one cherimoya, look at all those B vitamins, almost all your vitamin C. It's got vitamin K in there, and it's got omega-3s. This is another thing people keep asking me about. there is omega-3s in your fruit. This is why I really believe in variety. It is so good to eat variety, not just bananas, apples, and oranges and pears all the time, and grapes and pineapple, okay? You gotta have the variety. And see, just in that one cherimoya, I almost got all my omega-3s for the day. And that's in fruit, no nuts or seeds yet, okay? And then look at the protein profile. That's really, really good. And yes, there's a little bit of everything in here. And selenium. A lot of people are so hung up on selenium. And no, you don't have to get it from Brazil nuts only. Look, in your fruit. It's in your fruit too, but it's in different types of fruits. That's why you have to have variety. I really am a big advocate for variety, because God has created so many different types of fruits for us on this planet. It's incomprehensible. It really is. And that is where we get most of our nutrition. Well, all our nutrition is from plant foods, but you gotta have variety. You gotta have variety. So just cherimoyas gave me way more than my daily recommendation of selenium. So the best onion, in my opinion here, guys, in Miss Staci's opinion, is the leek onion. I have been eating this type of onion, and only this onion, for 6 years, ever since I went raw vegan in 2013. It does not give you stinky armpits. It is if you're looking for an onion, like you'd still want to include onions in your diet, definitely look into leek onions. It is a flashy, good looking onion, don't you think so? And it is so delicious. The flavor is a cross between chives and garlic, and it is so tasty, so tasty. It is my favorite onion. I think it's the best onion on this darn planet, if you ask Miss Staci here, guys. And it is perfect for your raw dressings. So look at that. Isn't that so neat? When you cut it open, it is a delicious onion. And you can eat definitely the entire onion. Just start at whatever ends you desire and work your way through. It is a delicious onion. So this is my favorite source of fats at the moment, and has been for a while. On Instagram, I follow Plant-Based Ben. He is so cool. He is so wonderful, and I'm so happy he shares the recipes that he has. And this is it's like a chocolate avocado pudding, but it's more like a whipped cream to me, and it's my favorite way to eat avocados. Okay, I'm not an avocado fan, really, you guys, I'm so sorry, but I do like avocados. I just don't like them as much as a lot of raw foodies out there, or vegans out there, like them. But I do like avocados when I'm in the mood for them. And right now, my source of fats are coming from these guys. Oh my gosh, I've been buying these avocados like by 3 or 4 at a time, which is very rare for me because I usually don't do that. And so his recipe for this is double what I have in here right now. Okay, so I just cut it in half. My favorite part, dunk your dates in there. More dates in there. Oh, this is tasty, people. Don't you think so too, honey bud? Hey bud. Hey bud. Yes, we do. Okay, everybody, so this was not a what I eat in a day video. I was just sharing with you guys some of the raw goodies that I'm loving at the moment right now. And I just wanted to share that with you. As always, like I always want to do, that's all I want to do on this channel, is just share with you guys. And so right now I'm editing a video because that's what I like to do at the end of the day. If there is no movie I'm kind of wanting to watch, I am a movie person. I love watching movies. I do. Not during the day, you know, in bed when you're laying down. But of course it's good to go to the movie theater also. But actually, with this virus thing going on, the theaters have been closed. So, but otherwise, it's either a movie or editing videos in the evening time not in the evening time, but nighttime. settling down in bed. So I'll let you guys go. Always remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you guys, and I will see you guys next video, okay? Bye guys.